So it is time for our first week's drawing for our 1-year anniversary giveaway at Grandma Auto Repair. And first up, I have all of our customers who filled out a survey at our Yelm location. Let's see who wins. So our first winner for Yelm is Ruth Mary. Congratulations, Ruth. You have won a $50 gift card to visit Bertoglio's Pizza in Yelm, Washington. Let's see who our first winner is for Graham. James. Congratulations, James. You have won a $50 gift card to visit Thai Mekong in Graham, Washington. This week in Yelm, we are giving away $50 to visit the 507 Taproom and the Grill at 507. In Graham, Washington, we are giving away a $50 gift card to Sun's Teriyaki. Make sure you stop by one of our shops to fill out the customer satisfaction survey and turn it in by this Friday. How do I end this video? You have won a gift card, a $50, it's loud out there. You have won a $50 gift card to, I forget. You have won a $50 gift card to visit Thai Mekong. You have won a $50 gift card to visit Thai Mekong. Why can I not remember that when I go to say it? And the Grill at 507. Of course, as soon as I write loud. If you are interested in being entered in this week's drawing, wow. If you would like to be good luck.